Fun animal superpowers.
Jeffroy's cats. These adorable spotted felines dive headfirst into rivers, swimming after fish like miniature otters, while, most wild cats avoid water completely. Explorers. This pint-sized predator breaks every rule about how cats should behave. Watch a Jeffroy's cat wade into cold Patagonian streams, submerging completely to snatch fish with lightning paws. These remarkable animals hunt aquatic prey so successfully that local fishermen once considered them competition. Scientists filming this behavior created viral footage that changed how the world understands small wild cats. Standing barely 8 inches tall, Jeffroy's cats weigh less than most house cats yet dominate their ecosystems as apex predators. They capture birds mid-flight, raid nests in treetops, and take down prey nearly their own size. That adorable face hides a ferocious hunter perfected across millions of years. A unique superpower helps Jeffroy's cats scout for danger. They stand completely upright on hind legs, using their tails for balance while scanning grasslands like tiny meerkats. This surveillance behavior allows them to spot threats across South American pampas where tall grasses obscure ground-level views. Jeffroy's cats inhabit diverse landscapes from Andean foothills to coastal scrublands throughout Argentina, Chile, and Bolivia. These adaptable animals thrive in environments ranging from dense forests to open plains, demonstrating flexibility that ensures survival across changing conditions. Mothers raise kittens in hidden dens beneath rock overhangs and thick vegetation. Baby Jeffroy's cats play wrestle constantly, developing hunting skills through fun that prepares them for solitary adult lives. Their learning period lasts several months before youngsters venture into territories of their own. Historically, fur traders devastated Jeffroy's cat populations. Conservation efforts now protect these beautiful animals, though habitat destruction remains concerning. Zoos throughout the United States participate in breeding programs, introducing visitors to wild animals few people know exist. Indigenous stories from South American cultures celebrated small spotted cats as symbols of stealth and independence. This cultural significance continues inspiring educational programs, trending among wildlife enthusiasts worldwide. Every Jeffroy's cat prowling moonlit grasslands carries wilderness magic within its tiny spotted body. Tell us in the comments which superpower surprised you most. Click that like button and subscribe to Fun Animal Superpowers for more fun video adventures featuring incredible wild animals. Keep learning and exploring with us.
Fun animal superpowers.
The bird that dances like a performer to win a mate, and what you are about to watch in nature with no choreographer, no rehearsal, and no second chances, is honestly one of the most precisely executed, most visually stunning courtship performances on the entire planet. This bird does not simply display its feathers and hope for the best, it puts on a show. Meet the manakin. There are over 50 species of manakin, and nearly every single one has developed its own signature dance move, a routine so specific, so repeatable, and so physically demanding that young males spend years practicing before they ever attempt to perform in front of a female. Years of practice for a dance, and the females watch, they evaluate, they judge, and, well, they are not easily impressed. The red-capped manakin, found across Central America and into humid forest regions touching North America, performs what researchers have genuinely, officially described as a moonwalk. It slides backwards along a branch with mechanical precision, snapping its wings together to produce a sharp cracking sound, flashing its bright yellow thighs in rapid sequence, all while maintaining eye contact with the female sitting nearby, watching the entire performance with what can only be described as calm, deliberate judgment. But the manakin that truly stops scientists in their tracks is the club-winged manakin. This species has taken performance to a biological extreme that, honestly, should not be physically possible. It vibrates its wing feathers together over 100 times per second, faster than a hummingbird beats its wings, producing a clear, resonant musical tone. Not a rustle, not a flutter, a note, a sustained, intentional musical note produced entirely by feathers rubbing against feathers. To achieve this, the club-winged manakin has evolved solid, uniquely shaped wing bones, denser and heavier than any other songbird its size. It sacrificed flight efficiency entirely in exchange for the ability to make music with its own body, traded flight power for a symphony. Worth it? She decides. If this performance is captivating you right now, tap that like button. It helps more people discover stories this extraordinary. Several manakin cousins and related species have also been documented in the tropical boundary zones reaching into southern Texas hill country and the humid lowland forests near Everglades National Park in Florida, places where warm, dense habitat creates conditions where elaborate courtship has quietly flourished for thousands of years. And here's the detail that makes behavioral scientists genuinely emotional about this bird. The males gather in groups called leks, communal display arenas where multiple males dance simultaneously, each competing for the same female audience. The females move between performers, watching each one, sometimes returning to the same male several times before making a final decision. The stage is always set, the audience is always watching. The males that win do not win by accident. They win because they practice, because they are better, because they have spent years perfecting something most animals would never attempt. Art, competition, dedication, hidden inside a forest that most people will never visit, and that's another reminder that animals are far more amazing than they first appear.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
Pit bull dogs have one of the strongest jaw strengths in the canine world, capable of exerting over 235 pounds of pressure when they bite. These incredible animals can jump up to 5 feet high from a standing position, making them amazing athletes for kids to learn about. Pit bulls possess remarkable endurance and can run at speeds of 25 to 30 miles per hour, faster than many Olympic sprinters. Despite their powerful build, these dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell that's 100,000 times more sensitive than humans, allowing them to detect scents that would be completely invisible to us. Their special ability to form incredibly strong bonds with their human families makes them one of the most loyal companions in the animal world for kids to understand. The intelligence of pit bulls is truly spectacular. These dogs can learn over 150 words and commands, making them smarter than a 2-year-old human child. Their brain power allows them to solve puzzles and remember solutions to problems they encountered months earlier, making them fascinating subjects for educational videos on YouTube channels like Fun Animals for Kids. These amazing animals also have incredible emotional intelligence, often sensing when their human companions are sad or upset and offering comfort. Many pit bulls work as therapy dogs, visiting hospitals and nursing homes to bring joy and healing to people who need it most. Their ability to connect emotionally with humans makes them wonderful subjects for kids learning about animal intelligence. The history of pit bull dogs traces back to 19th century England, Ireland, and Scotland, where they descended from bulldogs and terriers. Originally bred for bull baiting, a cruel sport now banned, these dogs later became farm helpers, family protectors, and even national mascots during World War I, when they represented American courage on promotional posters. Pit bulls live comfortably in many habitats, from rural farms to suburban homes and even city apartments. These adaptable dogs thrive wherever they can be with their human families, enjoying warm indoor spaces, but also loving outdoor adventures in parks, beaches, and forests where they can run and play. This adaptability makes them perfect companions for families in almost any environment. The diet of these powerful canines typically consists of high-quality dog food rich in protein, though in the wild, their ancestors would hunt small animals and forage for plants. For kids interested in animal care, it's interesting to know that pit bulls need about 922 to 1,740 calories daily, depending on their size and activity level. Communication among pit bull dogs involves a variety of interesting behaviors. They use their entire bodies to express emotions, tail wagging for happiness, play bows for invitations to fun games, and specific barks that can mean different things to those who know how to listen. Learning to understand dog body language is an important skill for kids who love animals. Did you know that pit bulls have been featured in viral videos and trending stories because of their surprising gentleness with babies, cats, and even tiny animals like hamsters? Their family life often involves being incredibly patient with children, making them wonderful family pets for kids who understand how to respectfully interact with animals. The survival skills of these dogs include incredible perseverance and determination. Throughout history, stories of pit bulls saving their human families from dangers like fires, intruders, and even wild animal attacks have demonstrated their protective nature and courage, making them heroes in many funny and heartwarming tales perfect for educational videos for kids. These loyal companions have played important roles in human lives as police dogs, search and rescue workers, and service animals helping people with disabilities navigate the world. Their intelligence, strength, and willingness to work make them valuable helpers in many important jobs around the world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure learning about the amazing pit bull. If you enjoyed discovering these fascinating animals with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fun Animals for Kids, for more exciting animal stories. Hit that subscribe button to continue our wild journey exploring funny educational videos about all the incredible creatures that share our world.